Let f of x equals 9x squared minus 8x to the b plus 10 plus x to the fourth. Find the value of b such that as the limit approaches negative infinity, you go to positive infinity, and as the limit approaches positive infinity, you go to negative infinity. So first off, this is an odd function, or not an odd function, I'm sorry, an odd leading degree. Okay, so I need this to be odd. B needs to be odd, so that excludes u. And that odd number has to be bigger than any one here. So it has to be 5 or higher. So A's got to be my answer. Now, the other thing that I have to be careful of is this only works because that's negative. Since this becomes negative 8x to the fifth, this whole thing works. If that was positive, then it would look like u. But, that's not what happened here. So the answer is A.